What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Cactus Computers. My name is Dakota. We do custom gaming desktop builds, how-tos, instructionals, repair guides, all that good stuff. So we're adding a bunch of new content to the channel. Make sure you scroll down, hit subscribe. Let us know what you think of today's video by dropping a comment down below. If you like the video, make sure you hit like. Today we have a budget baller build, I like to call it. Everything's gonna look really good, but it's gonna have some pretty low price components. I know today's graphics card market is very hectic in terms of pricing and availability. So what we've done here is kind of show you guys a setup that's gonna look really good in a killer case. Bunch of RGB lighting with the Cooler Master products. But gonna have some components that don't break the bank and will let you get into gaming for a decent price.
When it hurts like this,
Alright, jumping right into it, we're gonna talk a little bit about our components that we're using for today's build, and then we're gonna start the assembly process and show you guys how it's done. First things first, we have a Amd Ryzen 5 3600. This is the best bang for the buck on the market right now in terms of new processors. For just over around $200, depending on where you're finding it right now. This is a killer processor that competes very well with the Intel lineup. As far as graphics cards go, we do have a little bit older of a card, but it is going to get you into today's games. This is a 4 gig Asus ROG Strix RX 570. Nice little Radeon card there to get you up and going. As far as cooling and fans, we went with some Cooler Master. These are going to look really good in this Lian Li case that we're running into today. A bunch of glass sides, so you're going to be able to see in on all corners and really have that RGB pop. Motherboard wise, we kept it with Asus on the ROG Strix lineup with a B450F gaming. Solid board, only thing to consider is Wi-Fi, so we're going to show you guys how to keep Wi-Fi while not spending a whole lot of money. These little USB Wi-Fi chips are a great alternative for those very expensive boards that are on the market right now that include Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. By going with the TP-Link USB adapter, you can save a lot of money and maintain that Wi-Fi in case you need it if you don't have that Ethernet going to your gaming setup. For RAM and solid state drives, we kept it with the Corsair RGBs on this one. Gonna match the fans really well. Customizable RGB, so you can always switch up the colors as you go. And then Samsung solid state drive is gonna allow us to have a fast startup and fast to boot up our games, as that'll be our main and only drive in this rig. You can always add more drives down the road, but we wanted to keep the cost low, and a Samsung Evo, definitely a great alternative to those expensive M.2s. Alright, first things first, let's talk about our case. We have the Lian Li o11 Dynamic. We just did a white build in this case. If you want to check out that video, I will leave the link right up above here. We just did a killer 3080 5950X build in the same case, but the white edition. This is the black edition, so we're going to be checking this out today. You can see big old glass panes, ton of airflow on this case as long as you have your fans set up correctly. And we'll jump right into this.
when it hurts like this. When it hurts like this. We hold each other high, but we fall 1,000 times. But I'd never say goodbye or ever leave this stuff behind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. Yeah. When it hurts like this. Ever like times, but I'd never say goodbye or ever leave this stuff behind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way, yeah. When it hurts like this, ever like them, ever like, ever like them, ever like, ever like them, ever like them. When it hurts like this, ever like them, ever like, ever like them, ever like, ever like them. When it hurts like this, we climb the greatest heights, jump down and have a fight. And that's all we'll ever like, but that can never change my mind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way, yeah. When it hurts like this, ever like them, ever like, ever like them, ever like, ever like them, ever like them. When it hurts like this, ever like them, ever like, ever like them, ever like, ever like them. When it hurts like this, we hold each other high, but we fall 1,000 times. But I'd never say goodbye or ever leave this stuff behind. When it's good, it's amazing. When it's bad, it's uneasy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way, yeah. When it hurts like this, ever like them, ever like, ever like them, ever like, ever like them, ever like them. When it hurts like this, ever like them, ever like, ever like them, ever like, ever like them. When it hurts like this, when it hurts like this, ever like them, ever like, ever like them, ever like, ever like them, ever like them. When it hurts like this, ever like them, ever like, ever like them, ever like, ever like them.
And there you have it, guys, the completion of the black Lian Li with the build that we just put together for you. This is a killer build, not going to hurt the pocket wallet, and it's going to get you up in gaming in a great looking case. You saw all that RGB lighting. The thing looks insane when it's going. All customizable too, so you can go in there and adjust the colors to better suit a color scheme or how you want it to look. But I am stoked on the way that this came out. If you guys like this build, drop a comment below. Let us know how we did. Hit that thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We're going to be continually putting out content for you, whether it be new builds, repairs, all that good stuff. And make sure you follow us on Instagram, Facebook, cactuspcaz.com. We want to hear from you guys. We want to see what you guys are looking for content-wise. That's a wrap on this video. See you guys next one.